away. So the sun is rising. We are about to fly some drones at the beach. It is 7:20 in the morning. It's not very quiet, but there's a bit of people around. I'm gonna try not to disturb anyone and get some nice shots. Hello.
What are you guys doing with the footage?
It's just practice, just whatever cinematic stuff, yeah.
Because it's just chatting with I prefer maybe not so close to the kids' faces
Okay.
and stuff.
Okay, yeah, 100%. No problem.
Nice
Perfect.
enough.
Cool. Okay, we are ready for flight. Let us see. Should I format my SD card while it's in here? Confirmed. Okay, cancel. Okay, rolling. Yeah. Let's see what's the situation's like. Should I try? Oh my god. Oh. Wait. It was very scary because I didn't know what to do. Let me try again. At 10. Okay, let's surf, let's go. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Smooth, boy. Let's see if I can almost split this thing. Can I? Somewhat of a split this, I guess. The last bit of battery is going, orbiting, and down and through. Oh yes. Let's see, can I make it back in? Oh yeah, oh, and out. Oh nice. We're on 30% battery. This is me chilling, sitting here and flying. That was my first battery at the beach in manual. I think it was okay. I think I got comfortable towards the end though. So I don't know where we are.
Are we gonna go up there? Fucking.
I don't know. Wait, let me see. No, I really don't know, to be honest. But I hope the location that we're going to is worth it because there's just no road anymore. It's just bush. Funny enough, the location that we're going to, I saw it on TikTok. It looks cool. So, and the weather today is not so bad. Earlier this morning we were flying at North Beach, eh? And there was a bit of clouds in the sky, but now it's clear skies, which is quite cool. Also, it's quite hot in Durban for winter. Legit, we have to drive through. What? Oh shit. Ah, bruh, what? So the line would basically be like through here, little bit on the railway, and then up, and then dive down that, and then come down. Yeah, I'm gonna plug into the phone now so that we can watch your live view and see how it goes, ne? I just wanted, wait, let me see if once I get a visual I'll tell you when to go now. Oh shit, looks nice, man. Just watch your lines, make sure that you don't need any. Oh shit. Coming down, watch the lines.
Wicked. Come down, get up again.
Don't flip it. You wanna flip it?
No?
Yeah?
Take photo.
Oh! Oh shit! So, definitely different from our usual clip river. But it's quite cool. I need a good spot to sit.
Lean against the car.
I can't stand.
Lean against the car.
Oh, but I wanna put the ghost camera somewhere.
If you sit there, your signal.
Should be okay, no? Because I'm still facing that, eh?
Okay.
Let's just get a feel for the space. Just trying to see the wires and all that. Let's go up. Oh, the light is eating. Light is eating. Let's see. Nope, I'm gonna start it again. I was not feeling that one. That's it. Okay, no. I need to stay closer to the waterfall. Oh shit, that line was close, huh?
Yeah, let it, yeah. Leave it, leave it.
Okay, so let it drop longer.
Yes.
So, I think I'm entering the dive too round, so by the time I'm facing down, with the momentum of it, it's making me roll, and that's why it's like hard to follow a line with the water and then come down. But I'm gonna give the second battery a try in a bit. Just gonna let the nerves calm down a little, and then I'll give it a shot, and hopefully the second battery is a bit better than the first. Location number 3 to fly. We are currently at Thompson's Bay in Ballito, and just here behind me is a hole in the wall, or yeah, I think it's called a hole in the wall, and the aim is to fly through that hole. But the problem is there's too many people walking past, and I don't want to interrupt anyone, you know, doing what I'm doing. So it got a lot quieter since we came, and I'm hoping that there's a gap of people that like stop coming, so then maybe I can get a shot. I really want to. Also, it is far out, so if I don't get a shot, I'm gonna be a bit disappointed. So I'm just hovering around, waiting to see if there's a gap. And also I'm on my last battery, so we don't have much battery life anymore. We do have like an EcoFlow charging system thing that we brought with that stays in the car. But from the last location to here, I only managed to get one full battery. So yeah, stay tuned and see if we make it or not. I'm just focusing on not f***ing slipping. The shot was a no-go. There's too many people. You don't want to be in anyone's way or, you know, cause any inconvenience or trouble. So tomorrow, first thing in the morning, sunrise, back at the spot. Back at the beach, like I said. Apart from it being really early, the sun is still gonna rise, I think, in the next 15 minutes or so. But it's a Monday morning, so hopefully people are at work and we managed to get the shot today. I'm a little nervous, I won't lie. I was thinking about it the whole night, but yeah, let's go for it.
Okay, now?
No people, like we have confirmed the location is a go, but let's see where we're gonna position ourselves so that we get good signal throughout the flight. Oh shit, that's it, that's the gap. So I'm thinking fly like from there a little, just past those rocks, along the rocks, and then through this little slow peaky turn, go straight through. And then when we get there, we'll figure, oh my god, I nearly fell. When we get to the other side of the hole, we will figure it out. So I didn't record the flight because I don't have a tripod for the Osmo. I left it in the car because I wasn't thinking, I don't want to be carrying too much. So I left that in the car, but shakes, man, the shakes. I was so close to coming through, and then like just as I was like passing here, it like drove. Let me not jinx it, but I'm lying to you guys. I did it. I did it. I feel like I can get closer, like more of a better flow, you know. So I'm gonna stick around. I'm gonna go on the other side of the rock and then fly that side a bit and see until I can figure out like a nice smooth line. Also, the thing with the lines is I want to follow the waves as they crash. So now timing the waves first and then starting the flight. I'm not too sure on that, but I'm gonna try it again. So I did fly through the hole. Oh shit, I made it. So I'm gonna fly through the hole and then maybe like a lower angle and then follow the rocks. But I actually want to go that side to see. I have a shot in mind of myself while I'm flying. don't know if it's too windy, but I took out the Mini 3 for a little bit to get some shots for like my Instagram, I guess, and I took some landscape stuff for the video. But man, looks cool, looks cool. I think coming just before the sun rose, guys. What? Capturing some content during that hour, like just in that window, perfect, because then the lighting is nice. Like the lighting isn't bad now, but I think just for that, like for the ocean and that dreamy feel, yeah, like that blue orange light just looks amazing. Oh wait, I'm gonna pack up my drone now and then maybe grab some breakfast or something because I'm starving, and then we'll see where the next location is. I'm not too sure, I'm not gonna lie. I've run out of spots, so wherever we end up, we end up. We've actually stayed much longer than we expected on the beach, but I think I got some cool stuff. I'm gonna have to check on the SD card, and yeah, I think that's it for the trip really. I can't think of any other spots that I've seen and wanted to fly, so yeah, I think we're gonna hit the road back. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, hit the like button. Oh no, the like button is a thumbs up, and subscribe. Cool.